G is up in the air. We're gonna dismount the original exhaust system. We got a new system in. It's Meisterschaft and it looks awesome. But first of all, the car is in the air. We're gonna dismount the original system. I have shitty light right now, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit of it. So cats are going out, or complete system is going out. And here we have the Meisterschaft exhaust system. Looks really good. I love the details of the welds. We're gonna polish this up. It's been used before, but it's gonna look sick when we polish it up. Really gonna bling. And I'm really curious about maybe switching out these end pipes to something wider, or maybe from an Audi A6 or RS6, or maybe also from a Volvo. So comment down below if you have any ideas or tips of which end tips we're going to use. Hey guys, so I actually got a text message right now that a package is actually arrived from lmr.se. I'm super psyched for that. Let's go pick up some packages and then head up to the workshop. We have to stop at the store and buy some energy drinks for the weekend. It's going to be a long one, a good one, so stay tuned. So guys, picked up the package right now, so let's head up to the workshop and actually see what's in the package. It's almost that I can't hold myself. I actually just want to open the package, but we have like 20 minutes drive, and as I said, first of all, energy drinks, a couple of food, and it's Friday, so happy weekend all. Let's go. So guys, finally up in the workshop again. It's Friday, as I said before, and you know what time it is? It's actually time for energy drink, but the sad thing is that I haven't had it in the freezer yet. So I have to put them in the fridge and then we move on. But we're gonna pack up some packages from LMR, see what they actually send us, if we got everything that we ordered, and yeah, let's pack up some packages. Let's see what Mickey at LMR actually sent us, and hopefully everything that I ordered is in the package. Ooh, yeah, begins very good, because we have some vibrant stuff coming in. So this is actually the things that we ordered. So we have the stainless steel vibrant resonators that we're gonna have on the exhaust system. So they look actually like this. Then what did we get more? SRT, the knuckle for the steering column. That's gonna make us be able to actually have the steering column as we wanted to. SRP is from Racing Products, and it's the knuckle actually to make space for the header. Then we have Deatschwerks fuel pump. I have some special thing going on with the car, and it needs to be on the ground. We're gonna go up to the tuner, but we may be gonna begin with the body kit that I have in mind for this car. So this car is gonna be all in, but you have to wait and see. So over to the next thing, I think we have two cats, two small ones. They look like this, or they are packed like this. Let's see if we can do this with holding a camera. I'm learning. Wow. Yeah, they looked really good. So it's G Sport emission system, and these are perfect because we don't have any space under there. So that's why we actually are choosing the vibrant small and thin resonators. We don't have the space we actually need under there, and it's the same for the cats because the cats actually sit way up close to the engine. So that's why we bought these puppies. These are going to be installed. These are going to be welded onto the intake manifolds or the tubing that we're going to do, and these look really good. I want to say a huge thank you to LMR supporting us and providing us with some awesome stuff. So that's going to be the goal for tonight, actually getting all the stuff onto the car. Maybe tomorrow morning. When we're done with the interior of the car, we can actually put it down on the floor again. It's been up for over 2 months now, and I'm eager to go up to the tuner. The tuner is actually waiting for me to come up with the car. You are gonna travel with me up to Södertälje to the guys and see how we're gonna tune this here in Sweden. So I'm just gonna change clothes, and then we're gonna move on with some cool stuff. So first of all, we're going to begin with the resonators. But now over to what we're going to do. And I saw this right now. The car is going to have mirrors underneath. Everything's going to be painted. And the exhaust system is going to be polished. So we're going to take away these two. They are not used anymore. And then we're going to add these resonators. I don't think the resonator is going to do much, but I'm doing the cats and the resonators only for Swedish reglements. If I get stopped in Sweden because of that, I can get high fees for that. So we are putting in resonators. The resonators are most for my own comfort. I've been driving so loud cars before, so I'm fed up with it. And I know the G37 has a high rasp. So we're gonna prevent that. So it's gonna be comfortable. It's gonna be loud, but it's gonna be comfortable. actually just marked up the best place when I was underneath the car, just where to place the resonators, and yeah, just marked them out. So the resonator, and my trick is always to do it with just masking up some tape after the measurements, and now we're actually gonna cut. So we're actually here and we're gonna go underneath the car right now and add the new parts that we got for the exhaust system. We're gonna be underneath the car. We don't have a lift here. It's gonna be a little bit tricky to film, but I'm gonna try as best as I can. So first of all, we're gonna apply the mufflers. We're cutting out the existing exhaust system, and we're just gonna spot weld them in the beginning. Then moving on over to the cats. And then we're actually going to take off the whole exhaust system and TIG weld it together. But here you can actually see the muffler. So we're going to hold them up and we're going to spot weld them. And then we're going to move on to the cats. Then, as I said, take them off and TIG weld them. So guys, what you saw me do right now was actually, these are kaput, so we're not going to use these. We're going to actually change them out to the new ones, and we're going to change them to this one, and then we're going to polish the whole exhaust system for the show, but that's going to be so much later. But time to weld. And the exhaust system is actually finally on the car, and yeah, the next thing is actually to start it up. I hope you like this content. It was really hard to actually film it. I'm sorry with the lighting and everything, but I hope you enjoyed it. Until next Sunday, and I hope you have a good morning, good evening, or good night wherever you are. See you. Bye bye.